Profit maximization. Conditions of profit maximization. The profit can be derived by subtracting the total production cost from total revenue of the firm after selling its goods. In a positive output level where the output is maximum, three conditions ensures the profit maximization of the firm. First, the marginal cost should be equal with the market price. Second, the marginal cost cannot be decreased at the optimum output level. And third, in the short run, the output level, the market price should be greater than or equal with average variable cost, and in the long run, price is to be greater than the average cost. Condition 1. Marginal cost being equal with market price. It has been seen that the profit maximization firm will not produce any output both the time when the market price will be greater than the MC and when the marginal cost of the firm will be more than the market price. Conditions 2 and 3. Marginal costs and market price. Second condition says that marginal cost curve cannot set downward at the level of profit maximization point as long as every output level lays further of primary output where it first touches with market price and then it starts declining. The primary output level thus cannot be profit maximization point here. Third condition says that in short, the market price must be greater than or equal to the average variable cost in positive output of the firm, and in the long run too, price must be greater than or equal to the average cost. Profit maximization, a graphical interpretation. We can show that in distinct marketplace, the output level of the profit maximization firm will be equal to the area where the upward rising SMC meets the price at the firm's respective output level, and the short-run average cost will be aligned with the output parallel to the price line.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.